MilesCraft 1343. If you've ever tried to drill shelf pin holes by hand, you know how tricky it can be to get them even and precise. That's where the MilesCraft 1343 Shelf Jig steps in to change the game. With this jig, you can drill up to 7 holes at once with perfect alignment. It includes see-through components for better visibility and repositioning, as well as index pins that make repeating hole spacing effortless. Standard hole spacing of 32 millimeters is built in, but you can also switch it up to 37 millimeters or 64 millimeters for different cabinet designs. Plus, the centering grooves ensure you're always drilling exactly where you want. And the included case doubles as edge guides for added convenience. Drawer front mounting system. Mounting drawer fronts can be a nightmare, especially when you're trying to hold parts in place while aligning everything. Thankfully, the drawer front mounting system from Craig makes this process way easier. It allows you to align and mount drawer fronts with total accuracy without needing 3 hands. The clamp pads are equipped with grip max, anti-slip surfaces, and ribbed corners to keep everything stable while you work. With built-in alignment marks and tough steel components, this system delivers consistent, perfect placement every time you use it. Miniindexible combination square system. Woodpeckers has taken their powerful measuring tools and shrunk them down into a pocket-friendly form with the Miniindexible combination square system. Don't let the compact size fool you. It's packed with features like a protractor head for accurate angle layout, positive stops at 4 positions, and a full indexing mechanism for precision scribing. Whether you're using the Imperial or the metric version with 1 mm center markings, this tool delivers sharp, accurate measurements. Its heads also lock at every 30 mm for extra stability as you're marking and measuring. Jig Angle Finders. When it comes to measuring odd angles, few tools match the precision of the Jig Angle Finders. These analog sight protractors feature triple and quad display options that make it easy to find and read any angle, even in tricky lighting. They're rugged enough to handle the wear and tear of a busy workshop and still deliver spot and readings every time. With a clean design and high visibility, these angle finders are always at the ready, helping you get those perfect cuts. Sacre Chamfer plane. Upgrade your old chamfer plane with the sleek and efficient Sacre chamfer plane. Designed for quick trimming and chamfering, this tool is built with adjustable cutting depth and high-strength carbon steel blades that tackle any type of wood. The assembly and disassembly process is simple and fast, saving you time during blade changes. It features 7 cutter heads, vertical and horizontal bubble levels for perfect alignment, an intuitive operation that even beginners can handle with confidence. JESSI Docket Mill Pro. Precision mortise joinery has never been more accessible than with the JESSI Pocket Mill Pro. Built from anodized aluminum and stainless steel, this tool is designed to last. The real magic lies in its micro-step mechanism that drops the bit by just 0.005 inches per step, ensuring extremely fine adjustments and razor-sharp joinery. Plus, the Pocket Mill Pro supports a wide range of accessories, including miter attachments, micro jig clamps, and workstation upgrades to further streamline your workflow. Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-planer, carpenters and remodelers. Meet your new best friend, the Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-planer. This powerful compact planer handles both hardwoods and softwoods with ease, shaving off up to 5/64 inches in a single pass. It's equipped with dual-sided shaving ports and 21 depth settings for maximum flexibility. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to a lockable kickstand that allows vacuum attachment, so your job site stays tidy while your work stays accurate. Woodpeckers Angle. The name might sound funny, but the Woodpeckers Angle is no joke when it comes to solving trim carpentry challenges. It's designed to bisect angles with laser precision. It's ideal for irregular corners, whether they're hexagonal, octagonal, or anything in between. It guarantees a perfect fit, even if your angles are slightly off. It's compact enough to fit in your pocket and bright enough to stand out in your toolbox. The Angle ensures your miters are always tight. Track clamp bench tops and benches clamping has finally evolved with track clamp bench tops and benches from Woodpeckers. Say goodbye to drilling and fumbling with clamp holes. These bench tops come pre-grooved for quick clamp insertion. Compatible with all major track saw clamps, they allow for tool-free repositioning along the track's length. The bench tops are made from 1-inch thick Baltic birch and are compatible with Woodpeckers and Festool router table leg sets. Position your clamps anywhere and secure your work with just one hand. MilesCraft 1409. Track Saw Guide. Transform your circular saw into a high-precision track saw with the MilesCraft 1409 Track Saw Guide. Designed to eliminate the inaccuracy of freehand cutting, this system includes a universal base that fits most 7 to 1/4-inch circular saws. Its lightweight aluminum construction reduces flex, while its low profile lets you cut through stock over 1 to 3/4 inches thick. It even supports angle and crosscuts, and the red guide strip makes alignment foolproof. Metabo guide rail system. Keep your cuts clean and straight with the Metabo guide rail system. This reliable system ensures splinter-free sawing, thanks to integrated bores that secure the rail to your workspace. Not only does it prevent material movement, but it also offers storage-friendly hanging options. 2 rails can be connected for extended cutting lengths, and it's compatible with most top circular saw brands. If you need seamless, accurate cuts, Metabo has your back. Trend Pocket Hole Alignment Clamp. Get perfect pocket hole joints every time with the Trend Pocket Hole Alignment Clamp. This tool locks in your pocket hole joints with pinpoint accuracy and holds them tight while you fasten them together. Its ratcheting handle reduces interference with your materials, while the quick release button makes adjustments simple. The non-marring pads prevent damage to your workpiece, letting you focus on making flawless joints without any hassle. Like this video? Subscribe for more tool reviews and tips.